Okay, viral thumbnail fonts. There are certain fonts that people tend to gravitate to. These fonts are easy to read, are recognizable across social media, and elicit a certain emotional response from people. And going back to what we were talking about human psychology and thumbnails, this is a perfect example because across many different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media sites, you see these fonts scattered about, and people have certain memories and certain emotions attached to these fonts. There's something within them that wants to click on the video because certain fonts do elicit certain emotions from people. Your favorite YouTuber usually knows about these handful of fonts and utilizes them very carefully to make their thumbnails stand out from the rest. And these are Montserrat, Ariel, Bangers, Bebus, Anton, Open Sans, Atma, and Decalotite. And I do just want to say that, of course, there's thousands of different fonts on YouTube, but for some reason, these fonts work the best. And I highly encourage you to explore and practice and play around with different fonts and see what you can come up with, because there's no one font or no 8 fonts set in stone. I mean, there's a baseline of what has worked in the past, but please, by all means, experiment and have fun with it.